The kids are always like, when I'm like eating a hot dog, they're like, how many bites, Dad? How many bites? I'm like, let's go for 2. But I'll be like, check in, doing a road trip, visiting a local client, go get a tour of their facility, have a meeting for a couple hours, brought part of the team with, so they can see some stuff in person before we get rocking and rolling with this new account. 3 hours there, 3 hours back, 2-hour meeting. That's a full packed 8-hour day. We got Ann's doing some work in the back the whole time. Laura's gonna be videoing it. Should be some fun footage.
One of my writers has never seen a nitrogen tank. Okay. And I was like, you got tanks, you got bottles, or you got a generator.
This stuff right here, that's horsehair.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's horsehair that gets brought in from Germany.
Wow.
I don't know where they find so many black horses.
Yeah, seriously.
My first boss that owned a plastics company taught me this. I would bring them Dunkin' Donuts, and I knew that they'd always go to the break room on the shop floor, right? And I would tape my business card on the inside of the lid. So when they open up that lid of donuts and lay them out on the table, my business card was taped on the inside. And the more times you do that, the more they're likely to actually have a conversation.
On our way back from visiting the customer, had a great time, got to see all of their services at one of their 4 locations. Always fun to visit customers, especially ones that are local. Team got to see some things. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Mason had fun. He said woo. So hopefully visit more clients, shoot some more footage for you guys to see a little bit of behind the scenes. Make sure you subscribe to that YouTube channel and turn on notifications. Let's go.